This ZOSI C220 8-channel 4-megapixel system offers sharp 2.5K video that makes it easy to pick out faces, license plates, and small details in both indoor and outdoor scenes. The Power over Ethernet design keeps installation straightforward because a single network cable handles both data and power for each dome camera, which is ideal for do-it-yourself setups. Its night performance is impressive, with infrared-assisted imaging that keeps people and objects recognizable at substantial distances, even in very low light. The built-in human detection does a solid job of cutting down on nuisance alerts from moving branches or passing cars, so you mainly get notifications that actually matter. Remote viewing through the ZOSI software and the integrated two-way audio let you check in from away from home, talk to visitors, or warn off someone on your property. The included network video recorder with large hard drive and efficient H.265 plus compression supports continuous recording on all 8 channels, giving long-term coverage without constant storage management.